I think in tasks where people are manually entering data of any sort, this is one of the areas where we identify very early on in the diagnostics phase of where is this manual entry happening? Why is it happening? Is there duplicate entry happening? Can this be more efficient? Those are the conversations that we're having during the planning phase. If we can identify and reduce, eliminate as much as possible that manual entry, especially dual entry, that kind of manual integration concept, that's where we've seen a lot of success in not just the efficiency as a process improvement, but also as the removal of potential manual entry error, right? That not only reduces time up front that is being spent on that entry, but also time on the back end of correcting mistakes, doing that analysis because we don't trust the fact that, hey, somebody might have keyed it wrong. That's one of the biggest things that we can fix with a solution like Business Central. Just especially in the small and medium business sized areas, we see a lot of varying systems and a lot of processes that might not be done in a system, right? We're just strictly using Excel today. We're managing this and pulling the data out, then doing a pivot table here, and then taking this data and entering it somewhere else. This is, again, ripe for that manual error. Wherever we can kind of get everything onto one platform, that's the big pitch with Dynamics, with Business Central, is the fact that all of these systems are integrated together with Microsoft, right? You are on one platform. You don't have to go out to a different AP solution, a different AR solution. You have your GL in QuickBooks, and then you kind of run through these different systems. The idea here is that we want to combine everything onto one platform as much as possible, as much as can fit the business, and then really reduce some of that friction of switching between systems, of doing that data entry. I think there's two aspects to this that I'll talk a little bit about. I think the first being the fact that context switching, or switching between different applications, hey, I've got to flip into Excel, I've got to flip into QuickBooks, then I've got to go flip into a separate software. This type of switching actually has a big impact on your users, right? This is something that will take time, it will take focus away, just different UIs, different processes, different keystrokes. All of these aspects kind of add up over time and really do take extra time to process through, right? Being able to reduce that and combine everything into one platform really does improve the visibility and knowing where data is. Hey, I don't have to think about, is my current AP balance for this stored over in some other system, and go looking for that. The second piece that I'll mention here is that as many users throughout the business that we can get onto that one single platform, there's a huge benefit there, right? Like same concept of, oh, Joe doesn't need to go and wonder if Sally made an entry in Business Central or if it was overdone in a different system, for, hey, we did some manufacturing over there. Is that information over in the manufacturing system? Is it in Business Central? You can achieve a lot of that continuity of data through integration, but just having that happen in a single place, having it happen in a single system in Business Central is huge for having visibility, right? I know where I can find things. We can actually build reporting all off the same data source. That is really huge for business.